Everyone, this is Janelle with Studio Lipsey, and today I'm going to be creating a new gingerbread house to add to my Etsy shop. So come along with me and I'll show you the process. And this is the creator, so go follow her because this house is so cute. Here, okay, so now I have my this is not basswood actually, this is walnut, and I am going to do my roof in walnut because I want my roof to be a little bit darker. So I am just going to go through and I'm going to make sure all the settings are correct on this. Make sure like the red all around is going to cut, and then the blue lines I want to engrave the cute little lines in it so it shows that fun pattern. I go through and make sure my settings are good. So I clicked on that, making sure I have the walnut plywood, the 3mm loaded up. So that's what it looks like. Hit apply. And then I'm going to go through and test my distance. And sometimes it shifts where the wood is because the camera, there it goes. Okay. So now I'm going to go through and adjust all my settings on these two pieces. Okay, so now that I have all the settings where I want them, I want the red to cut, the blue to engrave, I'm going to go over here and hit preview, and it's going to show me what it's going to do. So all the cuts are correct and they're going to be great. Okay, so now we're going to go over to process duplicates. It's okay. Yep, we want them to be the same. And then I'm going to hit start. My start button on my xTool. And it's going to go. So this just finished. And this is the roof, and you can see all those little engraving marks, and it turned out perfectly. I kind of had an afterthought and I think I want to do the door in walnut as well, so I'm just going to cut that. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to the, let's see, where is it? The basswood right here, and then click apply. That. And then I got, these are the sides. So I put in this window and put in this window. So there'll be 2 windows on each side. And then I also wanted to add this scallop look for the back as well. So this is the front, this is the back, and the front and back will have these, and then they'll each have like their own little window. I'm actually, no, I'm not gonna add a window over here. It'd be cute, but I'm not going to. And then these are the 2 sides, and this is the base. So I think that'll work out perfectly. So I'm going to actually group it, and then I want that to all be set to cut. So I'm going to have it set to cut, and then it suggests like what they think you should cut it at. So that's just what I'm going to go with. And then I'm going to make sure this is all grouped together. It is. So we're going to come over here and make sure, see, that one was set to score. So we want to make sure it's set to cut. And then, okay, perfect. That should be good. Okay, so this is what we are going to cut very first and see if we can make it fit on this piece that we got. So here are our roof pieces. Here's our little door So those are going to be all in the walnut. The rest is going to be in the basswood. Done. Oh, they look good. Let's pull them out. Make sure that cut out perfect. Perfect. Just add these to my pile. I'm kind of excited that I decided to add these windows in. It'll give it just a little bit more character. Now I got the new pieces loaded up. I am going to double check my distance because I don't want these to get cut off on the ends. And it looks like everything's going to be good. Let's preview. Awesome, looks good. And now let's process and start it. All right. The only thing we have left to do is the base. So this is almost done. So do you see right here and right here and right here? So I'm going to go along with my X-Acto and just cut that, and then it will be able to release this out. Voila! Okay, so here's the base. I already tested the distance. Preview it. Perfect. It's funny because the one time I don't preview it is the one time it actually doesn't do what I want. So process our button. This is our last piece. Okay. Here is our base. It is all done. It turns out perfectly. Awesome. Okay, that's the final piece. Hope you enjoyed the process of watching this gingerbread house be made. I will be posting a video in full on it of it being decorated and put together, so watch for that, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.